voltage variable. But we should not disturb the system, please. Yeah.
It will not disturb, it will be there.
Okay.
Just send the signals to PLC and that will
We'll put on documentation. We'll put on documentation.
It
Okay.
comes for me, it's not a big deal, but the issue that
There is no issue.
This is only soft.
has no issue with the process automation.
See, if you have instrumentation, you have to give only feedback that we can do it as soft control. We can do it. We can do it. Yeah. That I've taken the safeguard. Yes, I'm losing time.
Count, take up, allow, not any, not allow.
This is the question. What will happen? Nothing.
You give allow.
But you
Rejected, this tanker is rejected.
control for using the white bulb or something.
No. That's why.
It's not automatic process. This is a manual batch operation. Whenever tanker comes in, before tanker discharge into the main system, we have to take the sample, grab sampling. Yeah.
It's any time also.
Once for one tanker. So once you get the sample, you analyze it and you match with your specification. Okay, pH is correct, TDS is correct, SS is correct.
So any time or only. So any time.
No. Only once before you discharge the tanker
For each tanker, you have to do separately.
separately.
Yes, before you are parking for 7, outside will be. It's happen.
Sorry.
This will be happen outside parking for tankers.
It is inside at the entrance of the treatment plant, and you have one access for the reject. So the purpose just to see connect. Yes, green light, okay, go discharge. Red light, reject. There you have another road for reject. So you will open the gate automatically. If it is passed, they will open to you the barrier and you can go for discharge.
Okay, Ahmed, now let us come back here.
Okay, so this is we have 5 bays for the tanker discharge. It goes to the main manhole